We're leaving in about 10 hours and I just started packing. Yay, we made it! So we just passed the TSA and boarding right away. We flew from Sacramento to LAX and we're going to take off from here to Tokyo, Japan. Ooh, that looks yummy. Good. Thank you.
Smoking is permitted in designated.
Off to Tokyo. Blanket and pillow, yay! And he is playing games. Get it! Let's go! We're getting our JR pass. I'm about to pick up our pocket Wi-Fi that we order online. You see right there where it say the Imperial Palace?
Yeah.
That's where we're staying. Next to it. Right now we're buying our train ticket to get to the center of Tokyo from Narita Airport. We're taking the Ginza line to reach our hotel. They just opened today. That's pretty. This is our room. It's so small, but it's so cute. And this is the bathroom. This one to wash the rear and front pressure and stuff. And then look at what they have. They have toothpaste that came with the toothbrush. And then hair tie. Isn't that cool? And then a brush. So it looks like this. Isn't that cool? And then they also have a towel. And then cotton pad. And then Q-tips, which I used a bunch already. And then shower cap. So cool. Shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. Oh my god. I see vending machine! Yeah! Basketball card?
Yeah,
Yeah. There's more here. This one looks better than the other one, honey. Or is it the same thing? I'm looking for the one that says milk tea. I know.
This Pocari Sweat.
I want to try the nectar.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm. Yay!
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu! Yay! We're going to Coco Curry! Yay! Is it good? So Coco Curry was super good. It's about 8 p.m. and we're going to end our night here.